Good afternoon, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. Today we were talking about this Sea Ray 290 SDX. This is a new 2026 model. I want you to come on in and check it out with me. All right, welcome aboard. This is the SDX 290. This has got the rear lounges. These are really awesome. The seat backs fold down, so when you put your cover over it, keeps everything nice and tight. Come on in. As you walk in, you got Kendon Grill right here, so you can barbecue lunch. You got a little fridge, and then seating for days in here. We've got room for you and all your friends to come out. It is a convertible type seating. You have the ability to sit facing forward, sit facing backward. We've got teak tables for this boat, so you can have a conversation, have lunch, have a good time. So come on in and see us over here at MarineMax in Dallas. We look forward to seeing you soon.